Okay, I want to show you a power supply that I have now. I exchanged it because mine was burnt off because it wasn't powerful enough. This is a 680 watt power supply, Thermaltake, and it has total 50 something ampere on plus 12 volts. You can see it here. We have plus 12 volt 1, plus 12 volt 2, and plus 12 volt 3. So this power supply just manages power. It's not just like 14A on plus 12 volt 1 and 23 on 2. It's not. It just manages power to where it needs to be. Okay, now I will show you. This is my old. This was burnt off because I didn't have enough power. Like we have here only 1 plus 12 volt, which is 26 ampere. You see this? 26 ampere. If to compare that, if you have any of this 8800 GT or 8800 GTX cards, all of them take more than 26 ampere. So if you don't have 26 ampere in your power supply, you got yourself in trouble. Probably it would burn out in some point after some while, and your card is not getting enough power now. So that's what happened. It was the sound was like a machine gun. It was blowing. I mean, it was like a fire there. I'm serious. So now I bought something that is serious, like this. This is serious power supply. It's even bigger, heavier, but also it's not cheap. If to compare with the cheapest one that you can buy, like this power supply has only let me see, it has only 20 no, it has 16. It says 16A on plus 12 volt. So you probably wouldn't able to run any of these cards on this power supply. You'll have troubles, and it doesn't have even 6-pin connector. And this one that was burned off has 2 6-pin connectors. But if you will run something on SLI on this power supply, it would be like explosion probably there. That's what happened. I didn't run SLI, I ran only single 8800 GT, and I overclocked it. Plus I put some fans there and it blowed up. I'm serious, it was sound like a machine gun. Do I mean it. So always pay attention on how many amperes it has. Some power supplies 700 watts have only 20 amperes, so it's not about how many watts do you have, it's about how many amperes do you have in plus 12 voltage. So this one that is new for me now has 50 something ampere, but it's only 680 watt, which is a lot more. It's like 3 times of this one. I'm serious, it's 3 of this one. But this one is also 680 watt and that one 680 watt. So when you see power supply for 180 bucks or for 20 bucks and both of them 680 watt, it doesn't mean that they're identical or similar. They're very, very different. On some of them you can't even run some devices because it's weak, like this one. This one is probably the cheapest one that you can buy. This one is about $20 worth, even $15. This one is just temporary solution if you have like business machine for business, like you don't have any powerful video card, like you have something very, very old and which is not taking at all power. No, so when you wanna do SLI or when you wanna change your video card, better to choose this one. It's extremely quiet. What I see, it's very, very quiet, and it's extremely powerful, I tell you that, and it's even bigger and heavier when you held it. This one is, I had it like for 2 months and it blew away because I put it my new video card in. That's not fun when you have it. So that's just